It is taking everything in me right now not to break down.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to this Clean With Me vlog. So to start off, I have made this new routine, kind of like tradition, where every Sunday I drink my coffee in bed while I watch YouTube videos, and it's honestly become something that I look forward to every single week. It's just so relaxing, and I don't know, I really love it. So then I will get up, make the bed, of course, as you'll see in a second, gotta chug that water, and then this morning, Tim and I took Callie for a nice bright and early walk. It was a beautiful morning. The sky was bright blue, the grass was green, obviously. Well, it was a very nice day, and then I got back and kind of the opposite vibe. I started working on my taxes. I don't know what made me do it so early, but that's what I'm doing here. Good morning, guys. It is currently 9:41 p.m. Can you see that? A.m. on Sunday, April 10th. I forgot that yesterday I had gotten a Dunkin' iced coffee and I never finished it. So after I had my hot coffee this morning, I'm now excited to continue drinking this iced coffee. We're just gonna add some ice to it. If you're curious, all I get is an iced coffee with only oat milk. So kind of boring, but really delicious. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. I just stuck some Ezekiel bread in the oven to toast it. So that's toasting. I love Ezekiel bread. Also, how cute is this little set? If you saw last week's video, I talked about the set that I got last week, which was also from TJ Maxx. This one is also from TJ Maxx. This is just one of my new favorite things in the entire world, wearing these cute little sets like on Sunday, Saturday morning. I just think they're so cute. And then I'm just wearing black slippers, these black slippers. Okay. Oh, one of my nails came off. Step one, put this fake nail back on. This is kind of a hectic morning like last week's, isn't it? I mean, today is not as hectic as last week's vlog though. While my toast is in the oven, getting all toasty, we are going to do a quick cleanup of the kitchen. And then I'm gonna eat breakfast. And then after I eat breakfast, we're gonna make a to-do list, and it is a lengthy one today. I feel like, honestly, I'm kind of overwhelmed. There's like a trillion things I have to get done today, but we're gonna get it all done. And I hope this video can motivate you to get your to-do list done. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer and let's clean up.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta
Now I do have a toaster oven, but it honestly takes up so much counter space that I just never bring it out. So typically when I have some bread to toast, I just pop it in the oven. So that's what I did there, because we are going to be making some toast this morning. And then while that was in the oven, I recently got these magic erasers, and I had this like mark on the floor, and I wanted to try and clean that up. And as you can see, it worked like instantaneously. And then I also decided to try and use it to clean my cabinets. Honestly, I was not planning to do this. It was just kind of like a spur of the moment thing, and I had so much fun with it. That sounds so weird, but it was so satisfying to see like the magic eraser get rid of so many marks. There were like kind of coffee drips. I mean, nothing that you can really see on camera, but when you look close, you can tell they were really dirty. And then for breakfast, originally I was going to make just a regular egg sandwich, but I decided I wanted to try this egg in a hole thing that I had made like years ago. I probably should not have toasted the bread first, but it's okay. It still turned out good. But essentially you just cut a little hole in the middle of your bread and then pop the egg in there and kind of cook it on the frying pan like that. I also put some salt and everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Incredible. Definitely didn't come out the prettiest, but it tasted delicious. Lighting is pretty bad, but I have my to-do list here. Let me show you. For today, we're going to clean the living room and the bedroom, kind of like a base clean. I'm so happy we already did the kitchen. I have a ton of laundry to fold, clean laundry that I have to fold. I want to get as much of my taxes done if possible. I started that this morning, but still have more to do for that. Now for number 4 and number 7, I put plan TikToks for the week and plan YouTube videos for the month. And I like to put in parentheses the amount of time I'm going to spend on that, because keeps me motivated. Like, I'll then set an alarm on my phone for an hour and then just like get to work. So 2 hours of planning throughout the day. I want to film at least 3 TikToks. I kind of already have in mind 2 of the ones that I want to do. So we'll get that done and then edit this video that I'm filming right now. Totally forgot to add these 2 things to my list before. Tim and I have to go to Walmart later, and I have some things I have to drop off at Kohl's for Amazon returns. Also, I took the rest of my hot coffee. It wasn't that hot anymore, but my hot coffee from this morning that it kind of got into room temperature, and I filled it back up with my Dunkin'. Cal, what are you doing? What are you doing? All right, let's clean. You want to go on the patio? Is that what you want? There you go. It is taking everything in me right now not to break down. Oh my gosh. Let me show you this. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need more coffee. That's what I need right now. All right. I'm not gonna stop filming this vlog. We'll use this camera if we have to. This is my Canon G7X. If I turn it on, you can see that you could still, like, the lens is still working. It's not like nothing is being seen. It's just obviously cracked. Oh my God, I wish Tim was home right now. I wish Tim was home. Even though he knows nothing about cameras, he always seems to like know how to handle situations, and I just feel like I need that right now. But he'll be home soon. All right, I feel a tiny little bit better right now just because I went on Canon.com and I ordered this, like I got the Canon camera and then the lens separately, but the lens was $400. But I did buy the insurance for the lens. But right now, I think we're just gonna use this camera to finish filming and like cleaning up, because I feel like once this place is clean, I'll feel a little bit better. Trying to see the positives. This camera still works, so I can still film. I have the insurance, so hopefully that will all work out. It doesn't look like I have to go put the cover on it, but it doesn't appear that the body has been injured at all. Gosh darn it, this was, just look at that. We're gonna take something awful that just happened and make it, it's okay. We're gonna focus on the things that are positive and we're gonna keep cleaning.
Got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
Video. So in light of what happened earlier with my whole camera lens situation, I thought that this would be a perfect quote to share, because I actually said this to myself in my head after it happened. I'm not gonna lie, I did have a moment when I first realized that the camera lens was cracked that I was like, you know what, I'm not filming. I'm just gonna basically lie on the couch and be upset about this for the rest of the day. But I did not do that. I said this quote to myself, and that's what helped me to kind of get off my butt, grab my other camera, and keep filming. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. It would have been so easy for me to focus on the negative of that situation, but instead I decided to focus on the positive. I'm so grateful that I have another camera that I could continue filming this video on, and the fact that I have the insurance, so hopefully it won't be too expensive to get it fixed. This helped me today, and I hope this can help you next time you're in a difficult situation to, instead of focus on the negative, find the positive of the situation and focus on that. Now the living room is looking nice and clean, so we are going to take a little outside break. Hi, baby. Oh, no, that's coffee. That's not for you. Pretty soon this tree right here is going to be all bright pink flowers. It's like a cherry blossom tree, and I'm so excited. You happy you out on a patio? Got some fresh air. Now this battery is blinking. Thankfully, I do have a second battery that I have had charging, so I'm on top of that. So I'm gonna go change the battery, and then we are gonna go clean the bedroom.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope.
My TikTok, I've been doing a series about habits and how to change a habit. It's a lot of the information, pretty much all of it, I'm getting from the book Atomic Habits. And this is a chart, and this is a chart from part 1 of that video where I kind of broke down the 3 layers of behavior change, which you need to understand in order to change a habit. Okay, so before oh wow, the lighting is nice. All right, what do I want to wear for the day? Do I want to put leggings on? These cute little shorts, which are the brand Abercrombie, but I got them from TJ Maxx. And I'll wear those with this little top. That always looks really cute together. And then once we go out to like run errands, we'll obviously put a real outfit on. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, psych. I decided that I'm actually kind of chilly, but I don't want to put long pants on, so I put the shorts on, and then this sweatshirt that I got from Endicott. Fun fact, if you didn't know, my freshman year of college, for my first semester, I went to Endicott College in Beverly, Massachusetts. It's like 30-40 minutes outside of Boston. So
we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light. Believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do?
Like what we could do, fold laundry, crossed off. Yay, I'm so glad we got that done. Okay, so now I'm so happy y'all are really liking. I posted this video this morning, 3 tips for laundry motivation right there. And I'm so happy y'all seem to really like that one. There's a handful of comments that I've not responded to yet on that video. So actually we're gonna do that right now because I always like to make sure I respond to every comment. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah, okay. Well, alrighty then. So so loud. I responded to all the comments that I have so far. It's currently 1:17. Also, look how cute Callie is in her bed. You look so cute. Is this not the cutest bed ever? I got it from TJ Maxx, and it's like the perfect Callie bed. She always loves sleeping in a little ball so she can curl up. She loves fuzziness, so she has that there. Oh, you got a laundry ball in there with you. I guess that must have fallen. I love you. Part 15. Today I'm sharing 4 ways that I style these decor trays around my home to easily decorate the space and make it look super intentional. So for my nightstand, currently $242. If you can see that, I'm going to add some text to this, like edit it, post it, and then we're going to go to Walmart. Alrighty, it's posting. Okay, yay, mine's been uploaded. Home hacks part 15. Today I'm sharing 4 ways that I style. Okay. We are now leaving Walmart. That was a success. I feel like it was, honestly, I was planning on trying to get a few clips like in the store, but it was ridiculously busy. I guess 3:30 on a Sunday is a pretty popular time to run to the store, but that's okay. Now we are on our way to Kohl's, which thankfully is like on the way home. So we're gonna go to Kohl's, drop off those boxes. I feel like we're getting a lot done today. There's like a giant pothole over here. Like it's like huge right in the middle. They have a cone mapping it off. What is it? Blocking it off. I don't know what I'm saying. Gosh, guys, it is 6:37 p.m. I just finished my taxes. I feel like that took way longer than I anticipated. It just like, I feel like I kept having to go back and triple check and double check and a million times check, and that was just a lot more stressful than I mean, I should have known it was going to be stressful because it's taxes, and mine aren't like crazy complicated, but I do have YouTube, so I have a 1099, and I have my mortgage, so I have like a form for my condo, interest in all of that. So there's just, you know, and then obviously my full-time job, but I got it all done. It is now 6:38. It's later than I thought, but I think, where's my, so we can check it off. Yay, hold on. Let me go get the to-do list. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to do 2 hours worth of planning right now. Like I said, it's what, almost 7 o'clock. So maybe what I'll do is an hour. I'll do half an hour for each. The taxes just took a lot longer than I thought, and I'm like kind of just exhausted right now.
Maybe you got me.